Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here now, today I will tell you a trick for fixing the decimals like that. For example, if you divide 4 divide by 3, so you get 4 over 3 and the decimal is 1.3333. This is the answer, 1.33 and so on. How many 3's are there? If we want to fix, means we want to see only the 2 or 3 digits first. So we can fix the calculator on this range, 2 or 3 or 1 or 5 digits, whatever. So like this, shift and then go to shift again, shift, setup. Here number 6, fix, fix. Now fix until 3 digits. Now it is fixed until 3 digits. The same question which we did first, 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4, look, only we are getting 3 digits, or you can see that any number, for example 10.25. So we are getting only 3 digits after the decimal, not more. So today this is the trick to fix until 3 digits. We can fix also 5, 4 digits and so on. Like see again, fix number 6, press, and here you can press 4. Now it is fixed until 4 digits, like 3 divided by 4. So here is the 4 digits. Now it is fixed until 4 digits. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.